Dear student, today in this video lecture, discuss about wired LANs Ethernet. So first, discuss before the wired LAN Ethernet, define the IEEE standards. In 1985, the Computer Society of the IEEE, Indian Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, started a project called Project 802 to set a standard to enable intercommunication among equipment from a variety of manufacturers. So Project 80.802 is a way of specifying the function of the physical layer and the data link layer of major LAN protocol and local area network protocol. So in this section, we discuss about data link layer and physical layer. According to IEEE standard for LANs, it is divided to part LLC and MAC. Means logical link control and MAC medium access control. So their upper layer of these data link layer and physical layer shown in the figure. And data link layer, upper layer LLC like that, Ethernet MAC, token ring MAC, token bus MAC. And physical layer, Ethernet physical level several, token ring physical layer, token bus physical. And these upper layer, data link physical layer is transmission medium flow OSI internet model, and this runs IEEE standard. These LLC so in the figure represented as a IEEE standard. Now, if Ethernet are connected to devices, they requires her address, and this address is represented in the form of hexadecimal. So hexadecimal is represented like that 0601, 0201, 2C and 4B. The hexadecimal like that 6 byte and it represented 12 hex digit. We can say that total hexadecimal notation address equal to 48 bit content. The least significant bit of the first byte define the type of address. If the bit is 0, the address is unicast, otherwise it is a multicast. It is the simple phenomena of defining the address. The broadcast destination address is in a special case the multicast address in which all bits are ones, then the address shows the broadcast. So for example, defining the type of following destination address like that 4A3010211001. We can solve this example. According to this example, to find the type of address, we need to look at the second hexadecimal digit from the left. If it is even, the address is unicast. If it is odd, the address is multicast. If all digits are F, the address is broadcast. Therefore, we have the following. The second digit in first question, first part, this is a unicast address because A is a binary is 1010. Means if it is even, if number of 1 is even, then it is a unicast. Now in the second part, second digit of the left side 7, we can represent in form of 4 digit 0111. Now number of 1 is the odd, therefore this is the multicast address. Similarly, in the third part, all represented by F. So this is the broadcast address because all digits are F. So how the address 4721B208 is sent out online. So solution of this address sent left to right byte by byte. For each byte, it is sent right to left bit by the bit as shown in the blue. So EEE 082E represented in the form of bit, binary form. Now, some categories of standard Ethernet So here, the standard Ethernet common implementation are divided into 4 parts. First Ethernet is 10 base 5, second is 10 base 2, third is 10 base T, and fourth is 10 base F. 10 base 5 is the example of bus and thick coaxial. 10 base 2 is the example of bus and thin coaxial. 10 base T is the example of star UTP, and 10 base F is the example of star fiber. So encoding in the standard Ethernet implementation, suppose stations are connected using the twisted pair or fiber optics cable. 10 megabit per second data Manchester decoder and Manchester encoder are connected like that. 10 base 5 implementation. The maximum capacity of 10 base 5 is 10 megabit per second. We are use maximum length are provided connectivity of 500 meter and base band like that digital. The 10 base 5 example cable end is the multi like the bus topology, and these are devices are connected in common cable, and transceiver cable maximum is 50 meters. This is the example of 10 base 5. Now 10 base 2 maximum data rate capacity 10 megabit per second. It provides maximum like 185 meter and base band like to digital. The structure of 10 base 2, so here in the figure, cable end like that and are connected. Thin coaxial cable maximum 185 meter and are connected these devices with the help of thin 10 base 2. Similarly, 10 base T implementation is also provide the 10 megabit per second data rate. Digital is like the base band like a digital and example of twisted pair. Now 10 base T hub are connected these devices using the 2 pair of UDP cable. And base F implementation 10 base F also provide 10 megabit per second data rate, baseband like digital, and F so is the fiber. 2 fiber optics cable are connected with the help of 10 base F hub. So summary of standard Ethernet implementation like that. Characteristic media, 10 base 5 thick coaxial cable, 10 base 2 thin coaxial cable, and 10 base 10 use the 2 UTP and sintered twisted pair, and 10 base F is 2 fiber. Maximum length provided connectivity of maximum length provide 10 base 5 equal to 500 meter, 10 base 2 maximum length provide 185 meter, and 10 base T provide maximum length 100 meter, and 10 base F provided 2000 meter. Line encoding, 10 base 5 use the line encoding like that Manchester, 10 base 2 also use Manchester, 10 base T also use Manchester, and 10 base F also use Manchester. This is the summarized standard of Ethernet implementation. Now, next some other topic are also discussed in this second unit, data link layer, IEEE 802.11. IEEE has defined the specification for the wireless LAN called IEEE 802.11, which cover the physical and data link layer. So, a BSS without a AP is called ad hoc network. So BSS base station with any AP access point is called an infrastructure network. So BSS basic service set access point, station 1, station 2, station are connected without help of AP, without help of access point. This type of network is known ad hoc network. If these stations are connected with the help of access point with BSS with an access point, this is known infrastructure network. Similarly, extended service set, basic services, and access point. Server or gateway distributed the system, and these access point connected basic service set like that. This is the infrastructure network. Now, physical layer and IEEE 802.11 infrared also use 1 and 2 megabit digital data rate होती है. Now encoder 4 to 16 or 2 to 4 are used, and modulation, pulse position and modulation like that analog signal. And physical here IEEE 802.11b 5.5 or 111 megabits per digital data, 1 to 4 and 1 to 8 ratio are used. CCK selector and modulator QP8 and 11 megahertz analog signal received. Now next topic is Bluetooth is wireless LAN technology designed to the connect device of the different functions such as telephones, notebook, computers, camera, printers, coffee makers, and so on. A Bluetooth LAN is an ad hoc network, which means that the network is formed spontaneously. So this is example of Piconet of ad hoc network. Suppose primary router are connected, primary machine are connected, several number of secondary machines. This is the example of Piconet. Piconet primary and secondary primary and secondary Piconet are connected to each other, and these are connection provided and extend the network. So this is the example of Bluetooth. It is the range of maximum range of the Bluetooth is 100 meter, 10 meter to 100 meter. So thank you. Today in this lecture, I discuss about different type of Ethernet and compare the implementation of Ethernet. Some also discuss like ad hoc network, infrastructure network, infrastructure-less network, Bluetooth technology.